Hi guys, it's Chris. We're back again with Lone Star Grillz, and today we're going to continue that series, cooking videos on the brand new Lone Star Grillz El Patron. It's a week from Thanksgiving. Today's Wednesday. Thanksgiving's next Thursday. So what better than turkey? We're going to do today a turkey breast. We're going to smoke this on the El Patron. We've gone ahead, I've brined this overnight. I've done a simple brine. I will put the recipe down in the description of the video of that brine. And you don't have to follow that. I mean, it's super easy. It's just basically salt and sugar and a few spices. There's plenty of prepackaged brines out there now for turkey, especially this time of year with Thanksgiving. There's even giant bags, so you don't have to have a dedicated bucket, cooler, sink. You just put it in the bag, add water, and you're good to go. Brining is a very important step in this process, though. This is going to add moisture and flavor into this thick piece of meat. This is a turkey breast, roughly a 5-pounder, so on the larger side. And we're also going to go ahead and inject this, just like we did on our last year's video with the smoked turkey, the whole turkey. We're going to do the same thing. Same as last time, Tony Chachere's Creole butter, half a stick of unsalted butter melted in there. If you want to do your own injection, just remember that nothing large and granular. Think large pieces of pepper, things like that. They're going to clog this small needle. So there is a small hole in the needle. Anything larger than that is going to give you problems and clog it. So we'll go ahead, we're going to draw this up. We'll inject this several places in this breast. You know, this is a rather bland piece of meat. This injection is going to get that flavor all the way inside there. We can't get rub inside there. We can't get smoke down inside there. That's only going to be on the exterior. So injecting this and brining it helps get that flavor all the way into that meat. All right, so we got that in there. We'll flip this over. For the seasoning, I've got some of the Cosmos Q Dirty Bird seasoning. There's plenty of them out there, any all-purpose rub. There's several that are like this that are made for poultry. Do what you like, do what you do. This just happens to be one I really, really like for poultry. We're going to hit that on there nice and liberally. Flip it over. Hit this side. All right, we got a nice, even, liberal coating on there. We'll take this outside. I got the El Patron fired up. We'll show you how we've set that up for the indirect cooking method we're going to use for this turkey breast, and we'll get this started. All right, guys, we got the cooker going here. We're running 275 for this cook, give or take a little bit. We're going to try and shoot for that 275, give or take. Got the firebox down here. The fire management basket. I got a good bed of coals going. Got a split of post oak on top of that. And our indirect or charcoal grate has been lifted all the way up to set it up for an indirect cook. So without further ado, we'll get this on. This is going to be a roughly 2.5 to 3 hour cook, somewhere in there, give or take a little bit. We're shooting for that perfect 165 internal temp. So we're going to periodically check that as we go along. Probably about the 1.5 hour mark, we'll start checking that temperature for that perfect 165 internal doneness, and we'll come back and show you when it's done. All right, so it's been roughly 2 hours, 45 minutes. We've been cooking at 275, plus or minus a little bit the whole time. I've been checking periodically with an internal meat probe just to make sure I've got that perfect 165. We don't want to go too much, and obviously the poultry, there's no such thing as rare or medium rare. We want it cooked all the way. Don't want to get anybody sick. So let's go ahead, check this out. Beautiful color on that. All right, we're gonna go ahead, pull this inside. I'm gonna tin it with some foil, let it rest for maybe 10 minutes tops. We're gonna slice it up and check it out. Okay, so this is rested now for about 10 minutes. So sum total here, cook time, we're looking at about 3 hours by the time we've cooked it, let it rest. And so without further ado, let's give this guy a cut and see what it looks like. Look at all that juice just coming out of there. Look at all that injection that was in there. Look at that. Unbelievable. The smell coming off this is just amazing. Turkey, that juicy. Who would have guessed? Oh my God. That's it right there. Ditch the whole turkey. Ditch the 4-day in the fridge thawing out. Get you a couple of these. They cook in 2 or 3 hours. That's the good part of the turkey anyways. Nobody wants the legs or the drums. This is it right here. For this Thanksgiving, turkey breasts all the way. Lone Star Grillz, El Patron. For more information on the El Patron, check out our website, lonestargrillz.com. For more information, more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. We're going to continue doing cook videos on the El Patron. I think next up is going to be a brisket, long, low, and slow. Thanks again. Happy Thanksgiving.